I'm going to shake Hasha. I'm going to shake Hasha. Thank you. It's very small, so look like separate units, like this one. As I showed you, because this one that does only for modeling. So each floor will have its own ventilator inside, like this. Not like here it should.
Yeah, I understand.
So if you it's very easy to do. Wind goes and hit only this blade.
So the
it
sound
starts-
will be less.
There will be no sound at all.
I see.
Infrasound is removed 100%.
Yeah.
And moreover, because of this one, the wind will come even faster and it will become concentrated. So it will start moving even faster and in a better way.
Yeah.
So the third one is the